Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound issue in VLC Media Player step by step. If your video is playing normally but you can't hear any audio, don't worry. There are a few simple solutions that usually fix the problem in just a couple of minutes. So, let's get started. First, check the volume inside VLC Media Player. Make sure the volume slider isn't set to 0 and confirm that the audio isn't muted. Then also check your computer's system volume to make sure sound is enabled and working properly. Next, try playing a different video or audio file. This helps you determine whether the issue is with VLC itself or just with a single media file that may have a damaged or unsupported audio track. If the problem continues, click Audio in the menu bar and make sure the correct audio track is selected. Then open Tools, choose Preferences, and verify that the audio output module is set to the default option. Incorrect audio settings can sometimes prevent sound from playing. You should also restart VLC Media Player or even restart your computer to clear temporary software glitches. If that doesn't help, update VLC to the latest version or reinstall it completely to replace any missing or corrupted program files. Finally, check your speakers or headphones by testing audio in another application. If sound doesn't work anywhere else, the issue may be related to your computer's audio settings instead of VLC. And that's it. You now know several easy ways to fix the no sound issue in VLC Media Player. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show